Sceptre monitors experiencing blue and red flashing represent one of the most common hardware issues reported by users. This distinctive flashing pattern is not just a visual annoyance, but a clear diagnostic indicator of underlying system problems. This issue has become increasingly prevalent across multiple Sceptre model lines. The E24, E27, and C24 series have shown particularly high rates of this flashing behavior, often accompanied by power cycling, where the monitor repeatedly turns on and off. Understanding the root causes is essential for proper diagnosis. Research and repair data show three primary categories of failures, each with distinct characteristics and occurrence rates. Power supply issues account for 60% of all cases. These problems typically involve failing capacitors in the internal power supply unit, voltage regulation failures, or overheating components that cause intermittent power delivery issues. Backlight system failures represent 25% of cases. These issues stem from LED strip degradation, inverter board malfunctions, or backlight driver integrated circuit failures that affect the monitor's ability to properly illuminate the display. Signal processing problems account for the remaining 15% of cases. These issues typically involve main board component failures, HDMI or DisplayPort input processing errors, or timing controller board malfunctions that prevent proper signal interpretation. Understanding these failure categories and their relative frequencies provides the foundation for effective troubleshooting. Each type requires different diagnostic approaches and repair strategies, making proper identification crucial for successful resolution. Start with basic troubleshooting steps to identify the root cause of the blue and red flashing issue. Test the monitor with different input sources to determine if the issue is source-specific or affects all inputs. Perform a factory reset to eliminate software-related causes. This can resolve configuration issues that might trigger the flashing. Check for firmware updates, as manufacturers have released specific fixes for flashing issues in late 2024. If basic steps fail, advanced diagnostics are required. This involves testing internal components and measuring voltage levels. Capacitor health assessment is critical, as failing capacitors cause 60% of blue and red flashing issues. Replacing electrolytic capacitors rated at 25 volts or higher resolves 70% of cases. This is the most effective repair method. Prevention is key to avoiding future issues. Use quality surge protectors and ensure proper ventilation around your monitor. Following these troubleshooting steps systematically will help you identify and resolve the blue and red flashing issue effectively.